Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. IJ's Math Clinic. Today we'll be discussing the construction of subsets of a set. What is a set? We say a set is a collection of distinct or distinguished or specific items. Now, and they are represented by what? Capital letters. So how do we construct subsets of a given set? We start with what we call the power set. We start with the power set. Power set. I will say the power set is the set that contains all possible subsets of a given set. Say it contains all possible subsets of a given set, which includes the set which includes the set and the empty set. It includes the set and the empty set. It includes the set and the empty set, which means the set itself is what we call is reflexive, is onto itself, so, and the empty set, all these form a power set, and is noted by what? P of x will be what? 2 raised to power what? X, where this x simplifies the elements we have here. So in this case here, our x element has 4, so we have, which is 2 raised to power 4, and 2 raised to power 4 is what? 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This will give us 16. It means we are going to have 16 elements that will give us the subset of this given set. So what do? Let's play around with these things. So we have solution. The set was given, have x is equal to, of course it must be in a curly brackets, b, p, comma, q, comma, r, comma, x. And we want to construct the subset of this given set. So we'll have the first one, we'll have our x, which comprises this. This x is not in a curly bracket, it stands on its own. Then we'll have p. You play with it one after the other, comma, you have q, we'll have r, then we'll have x. We are done with the single element. Now let's go to 2. So have pq, p, comma, q, comma, we'll have p, comma, r. Of course, in a curly bracket, we have p, comma, x. So we are done with the p. Let's check again. Okay, we can see control p in the three. Okay, let's start with the q. We have q, comma, r, and we'll have q, comma, x. Now remember, in sets, you don't repeat elements. So we have this. Now we are done with the 2's. What again can go with q? Let's see rx. We have r, comma, what? X. So the 2 elements are gone. So let's try the 3, starting with p. So we have pqr, pqr. The next one we'll have prx, prx. We'll have pqr, we'll have prx, and we'll have pqx. pqx. Now let's count to see if we are close, because we're supposed to have 16 elements in this subset. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are still looking for 1. So we'll have prx, which is prx, and we'll have pqx. Then we have qrx, which is qrx, and the last one will have our 5. Our 5 here represents the empty set. It can be 5 or it can be what? Just an empty set. when you have this, we say it's a null set or an empty set. But if we have something of this nature in it, it's no longer an empty set. It's what we want to call the singleton file. So this is not an empty set. Rather, this or this is an empty set. Also, our X here can also be represented using the elements that we have. Either you write X or you write like this P, Q, R, S to represent this value here, but it must be in a curly bracket. But in this case, it was not in a curly bracket, that until the bracket embodied every other thing that is inside it. So this is how we construct a subset. So let me try you exercise. Construct a subset of the set, say A equal to M N O P. Construct a subset of the set A equals M N O P. Let me see your responses at the comment section. Thank you.